Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Computer Scratch. Today's topic is Javac is not recognized as an internal or external command. So to fix this problem, you need to watch this video until the last minute without skipping any part of the video. So you have to watch complete video to not miss any of the steps. Okay. So let's see Javac 2-digit sum.java. Let's try to compile it. So it is showing like Javac is not recognized as an internal or external command. Let's try to find whether Javac is installed or not. If you type Javac, it is still showing that Javac is not recognized. So command prompt is not able to recognize what Javac command is. So to fix this problem, first you need to click on this PC, go to this PC like my computer, click on uninstall or change a program, and in the search box you need to search for Java. If you have any of the Java programs or applications, uninstall all of those without leaving at least one as well. Like uninstall all Java applications and softwares whatever present in your PC. Now you can see there are no files called Java in your PC. Now go to Google, then type JDK Java and click on enter. You can see here the first link from the website called www.oracle.com. So click on it, Java downloads. This is the official website of Oracle who developed this Java. So the update is Java 17, which is available right now, and it is the latest long-term support release for the Java SE platform. Now based upon your operating system, click on your operating system. In my case it is Windows, so it is a 64-bit operating system. So click on this link. To download this exe application, it may ask for you to log in into the Oracle website. So sign up for the Oracle registration, and after that log in with your password. It automatically downloads this exe application, that is JDK 17 Java Development Kit. So in the meantime, let's look at whether Java is present in our PC. So go to Windows C folder, program files. In program files there is no folder called Java, and you can also find it in common files, and there is no folder called Oracle here. So after your download is complete, click on that link or exe file. It's taking time, so click on install anyway. It may not ask in your computer. So click on next. Without changing anything, click on next. So let it complete the installation process. It will take about 10 seconds only. So close it. Now you can verify that Oracle folder is present in common files folder, and also Java folder is present in program files after installing that exe application. So now let's check by typing the same command Javac. It is still not recognized as an internal or external command. So what to do? Click on common files, click on Oracle folder, Java, and open the Java path folder. So these are the exe files that will help you to run Java commands. So copy that location path, and in the search box search for variables, var. Click on edit the system environment variables, click on environment variables, and under the system variables search for path, click on it, and click on edit button. Now click on new. Here paste the location which you have copied now. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now let's check whether the command will run or not. It is still not recognized as an internal or external command. Now let's restart our command prompt. So cd is generally used to go to that particular folder. In my case, Java file is present in the desktop Coursera folder and in that algorithmic toolbox folder. Now type Javac. So this tells you that Java is installed in your PC. So let's try to compile our Java file, which is 2-digit sum.java. Click on enter. So this tells you that our Java file has compiled successfully. Let's try to execute our Java file, that is our class file, Java 2-digit sum. Click on enter. Now our program has executed successfully. So this is the result. Your problem has been solved. Successfully installed Java on your PC. So don't waste time, guys. If you have any queries or issues about this video, don't hesitate to comment under this video. And if this has not solved you, then there is also another solution for it. I'll provide the link below this video, so go for it.